Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my followers. Today, inshallah, we will talk about the most used verbs in Arabic in the daily life. Let's start. Bismillah. أكثر أكثر أكثر, it means most. الأفعال الأفعال أفعال, it means verbs. Most verbs, the most verbs. This is التعريف ألف ولام, the in English. We will put for here, but inshallah we will talk later about this grammar. But now we will talk about some words. When we take a lot of words, we will take some grammars to join these words in a sentence, in a useful sentence. Let's continue. أكثر means most. الأفعال, the verbs, but that we will use it for more, most. استخداما 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 means used. في this preposition is in. الحياة 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 in English means, in Arabic means life. الحياة in English, life. اليومية, here we have shadda, so we have to pronounce this letter under al-shadda twice. One with consonant, the second one with the shape above or under al-shadda. Al-yawmiya means daily. بالزمن, B, it is pronounced like in. وتعني in. في in, be in. الزمن, like that, means time. الحاضر, present. The most verbs used in the daily life in present time. In Arabic, أكثر أكثر الأفعال استخداما في الحياة اليومية بالزمن. Today, not today, here we have shadda بالزمن, so we don't read this lam. Every letter that in Arabic we read it, but when I have al-tarif and after al-tarif, if there is no shadda, I read al-yawmiya. But if I have shadda, I don't read the lam. I said it بالزمن. I write it, but not read it. بالزمن الحاضر. الحاضر. You know? Here there is no shadda, so I read al-lam. الحاضر. So, the most verbs used in the daily life in present. Let's start. Bismillah. The first one for today is يأكل. يأكل. يأكل, it means eat. يأكل, it means eat. يأكل, this is Hamza, we read it يأكل يأكل. يشرب يشرب. يشرب. It means in English drink. So يأكل يشرب drink. يعمل 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 it means work. He works. يعمل in present. يعمل. يأكل يشرب يعمل ينام ينام. This is ميم ينام. بسم الله. Where is it? ينام ينام. This is سكون. ينام means sleep. ينام sleep. He sleeps. ينام. يمشي 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 يمشي. It means walk. يمشي means walk. يصلي يصلي. This is lam in the middle of the word يصلي. We have shadda and kasra, so we read this lam twice. I try to write it something like typing to be clear, not handwriting. يصلي. Yeah, يصلي. يصلي, it means pray or pray. I don't remember exactly in English how we pronounce it. Pray or pray, I don't know. The last verse for today is يذهب. يذهب. It means go. يذهب. يذهب. Go. The last one for this video is يعيش. يعيش. This is عين. عين in the middle of the word. Write it like that. بسم الله. يعيش. يعيش, it means live. So today we have 8 verbs that we use it every day. يأكل, eat. يشرب, drink. يعمل, work. ينام, sleep. ينام, sleep. This place of word, I can't write it in good writing, so ينام, sleep. يمشي, walk. يصلي. Here we have shadda, so we read this letter under al-shadda twice. The first one with consonant, يصل. Lam and سكون ل. يصل. The second lam with the shape above or under الشدة. That is كسرة إي. لام وكسرة لي. يصلي. يصلي. It means pray. يذهب. يذهب. It means go. يعيش. 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 If we write سكون or we don't write the سكون, the letter without shape, it will be سكون. يعيش. It means live. So this 8 verbs, we somehow use it every day. But I want to speak about something important is that all these verbs, we use it just with the pronouns هو. That is هو. It means, we said that before, he. We say in Arabic هو يأكل. هو يشرب. هو يعمل. We don't say أنا. It means I. We don't say in Arabic أنا, I, أنا يأكل. It's wrong. أنا يشرب. It's wrong. أنا يعمل. It's wrong. All those verbs with هو. هو يأكل. هو يشرب. We don't say, of course, هي. هي means she. We don't say she يأكل. It's in Arabic wrong. All these verbs used just with the pronouns هو. In Arabic, in English, he. We will talk about the pronouns, how to pronounce it with verbs, inshallah, next video. So, all these verbs with pronouns هو. هو يأكل. هو يشرب. هو يعمل. هو ينام. He sleeps. He works. He drinks. He eats. هو يمشي. He walks. هو يصلي. He prays. هو يذهب. He goes. هو يعيش. He lives. This is in Arabic. So please, I want you to save all these verbs because we will talk them about next video, how to use these verbs with Arabic pronouns, with personal Arabic pronouns, ضمائر الرفع المنفصلة, that we talk about to combine a good sentence or right sentence in Arabic. The Arabic language is so rich, so the vocabularies we will say, inshallah, it is somehow variety. So, but it is not hard. It is so variety, but it's really not hard. If we save the first of them, you can use the another verbs in the same way. That's all for today. هذا كان كل شيء لهذا اليوم. It is honor to me to invite you to subscribe my channel, ring the bell please, good comment, like you, and dua. Like and share. Assalamu alaikum.